Howdy howdy howdy. I am Lil Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Roseborough, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 1977 land installation, Lightning Field, by the artist Walter de Maria. The artist was born in Albany, California, United States, in 1935. De Maria was an early member of a band called The Primitives, alongside Lou Reed, which evolved into the well-known group, The Velvet Underground. Lightning Field is located in New Mexico, and is comprised of 400 stainless steel poles placed evenly apart from each other. The artwork is meant to be experienced at all times of day and in all forms of weather. Lightning does not need to be present in order to create an effective experience. This work inspires me to think about the possibilities of using land and nature as a component of my work, allowing the weather and elements to become part of the piece. Until next time, I'm Lil Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Roseborough. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at ARTWORLDGEEK.